Hello children. So today I am going to recall the format of notice writing, an important question which we need to know it properly so that we could score maximum. So actually notice is written or a printed information, or it can also be called as an official statement. Fine. So it is used to give information to a larger segment of people. Okay. So here this notice is supposed to be written in the simple format, in the formal language, and it should be written to the point. It shouldn't be simply elaborated. So the important thing is that first we'll start with the name of the issuing authority, but it will complete only with the name of the place. Fine. Then next one comes the notice. The notice will be written in the capital letters. Here it's not compulsory to write down in the capital letters, but we write down with the clarity. Then comes the title or the heading of the topic. Now when comes the date we could write down just at this line or here, and whenever we write down the date should be written in the format of, like, if it is 2nd July, so we'll write down 2 July 2020 or 2nd July 2020 or July 2nd 2020. It won't be written as 2/7/20. Fine, we need to take care that way. Then comes, so regarding the date we could mention either here or here, in both the ways you may find. After the title, once again you leave one line space and then directly come to the content of the notice. While writing down the content of the notice, we need to see that it satisfies what, where, when, how it's organized, isn't it? Like here we include what is the purpose of writing down the notice, what is the event, the occasion on which it's written, then date, time, venue, and the follow-up details. Follow-up details like the last line, no, the way we add, like the interested students may inform or give their names to their respective class teachers. So that is the follow-up details. After that, here the signature of the person, below that the name of the person in capital letters, remember that, and below that the post, the designation. Fine. Just to see that the official informations are given, so it should be brief and to the point. The purpose of the notice is to inform the public at large, as I told earlier. Then it should have a proper heading, and whatever content we are writing down as a whole, it should be brief and precise, to the point. The content should provide all the required informations in simple language. It shouldn't be complicated at all. Then as I talked here about the name and designation of the issuing authority, that should be mentioned. Another important thing is that the content of the notice should be written in third person. Fine. I, we, you, those words are not at all used. Then the whole pattern should look attractive, and the word limit of 50 words also should be taken care of. Fine. Then after writing it down, here you can close the box. Box is also very important. So first to make the 3 lines, maintaining the center heading, you can draft the notice. Notice can be written, that is the content of the notice can be written either in paragraph, that is the purpose of the notice is to provide the information. Now you are providing the information in the form of a paragraph or the detailed information in short. Okay, that way also you can provide the information. The thing is that maintain the neatness and follow the proper format and try to get maximum marks out of it, which is so simple to score. Thank you.